Transferring money from a Visa gift card to the Cash App is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, here is a quick tutorial on how to transfer money from Visa gift card to Cash App. Next, on your mobile device, open the Cash App. Then, click on the Balance tab from the bottom of the screen. Now, tap on the Add Cash option. So, enter the amount that you want to transfer from the gift card to your Cash App balance. Here, click the Add button and select the gift card you want to transfer money from. After this, enter the card information. This includes card number, expiration date, CVV code. Now, click on the Add Card button to complete the process. After the transfer is complete, check your Cash App balance to ensure the funds have arrived. Doing so will transfer the money from the gift card to your Cash App balance. Always be cautious when transferring money and ensure that you are complying with the terms and policies of both PayPal and Cash App.